Sea-Doo, Yamaha, Kawasaki. That's the order of popularity. It's the only reason I list them that way. Love and hate for Sea-Doo, love and hate for Yamaha, love and hate about Kawasaki. And I'll give you a time limit of maybe 5 minutes, but we'll probably go over.
All right. Sea-Doo. All right. BRP tech package. Hate it.
What's the tech package?
What's that?
What's the tech package in the US?
The tech package is the BRP Go.
Yeah, the dash and the infotainment
the big dash, the split dash sound system.
Okay.
Because the sound system used to just be Bluetooth to the speaker, connect your Bluetooth to the speaker, all day long. It was great. Yeah. I loved it. It was I was the number one advocate for the BRP premium sound system. Then they tethered it with the dashboard, and you had to use your phone, and you had to have the cord, and you had to.
Okay, so you don't like the VIP dash and the sound system.
The BRP tech package. Now, mind you, I think next year is going to be their revised version because it's been out on their Can-Ams and the Sea-Doos. So we might see it next year. If not, it'll be the year after. So I'm hating on something that's already outdated.
Excellent.
So I'm like, I hate buggy whips and oil lamps. But
what else do you love or hate about Sea-Doo?
Sea-Doo, great balance, dry ride, the leading ergonomics. I still love that the dashboard is connected on the ST3 to the steering. Because when I stand up,
the steering,
I almost always stand up.
Yeah.
I almost always stand up and I want to look at the dashboard. And if it with the Sea-Doo, I can see very clearly. It's very good. Link is great. I hate the extended decks. I hate the ST3 platform. Carbon seal has been fixed, but I still don't like it because I want to be able to run my ski on a hose for 5 minutes.
Yeah, I can see that.
And they're not having failures in the water. They're really not having failures. I mean, guys, look at the attrition rate. The numbers are way down. But I still want to be able to run it on a trailer with the hose connected and walk around it. And I want to do that.
That's great.
Powertrain's good. Powertrain's great. IDF, to your point, is a great first step towards a high, low, and reverse transmission, that's the final goal.
Got it.
So expect a automatic transmission in the next 5 years.
Wow.
That's my crystal ball prediction.
And Yamaha?
What's that? Yamaha. Absolutely get rid of the paint, guys. Your paint is killing your reputation. The painted hulls, go to gel coat. The paint is not sticking on. It's not strong enough. You have too many new people who do not know how to appreciate their ski. They're running their skis up beaches and going, what happened? You have to equate for the lowest common denominator. You are not attracting a smarter audience. Just get rid of the paint or get thicker paint. Do something. I don't know what to do, but your paint system sucks.
Because they've switched to that heavier duty material for
they went to SMC fiberglass.
Right. Yeah,
but the paint is still chipping off and cracking and being shredded off.
Yeah.
So
and what do you? Sorry,
what's that?
I was going to say, what do you love about Yamaha?
Oh, Yamaha. Yamaha's hull design is chef's kiss. Yamaha knows how to do a hull design. They do it in their sleep. These guys are phenomenal hull designers. Rough water, flat water, Yamaha. Dude, come on. I'm sorry. The GP 1800R is a monster.
Yeah, and the FX is kind of stretched GP in a way, so it gives you that better stability, a bit like a long wheelbase in the ocean. It's awesome.
Yeah. Don't get me wrong. I would pick an FX over a GP, but for what the GP is, absolutely love it. The tilt steering, the ergonomics, the balance of the ski, absolutely killer machine. Here's the problem, though. And what's killing the entire brand right now is their quality control has been better. This year, has been less failures. Late 22, all through 23, it's been better. But they've got a black eye from 2 years of really bad quality control. And they had a lot of failures, mechanical failures, cosmetic failures, build quality failures. I mean, like seat stitching coming apart, stickers put on with wrinkles and crooked, and missing rivets like missing screws and rivets out of the fairings. Really, like, unlike Yamaha stuff.
Yeah.
And I think they've righted the ship, so I don't want people to freak out and go, "Oh, Kevin said they're trash." No. I'm just saying they really took it in the shorts for about 2 years on this, and I think they're course correcting. Okay, Cowie, I know I'm over my 5 minutes.
No, you're good. You're good.
All right. I understand why they raised the lip for the front storage because water doesn't come in as easily. But whoever decided to narrow the opening to the front storage, I have a GoPro bag that looks like my youngest daughter's backpack. It is tiny. All right. It's like a little Hello Kitty size, backpack that she's got. And my GoPro camera bag, I can't drop into the front. I have to push it through. Yeah. Whoever changed the size of that.
Yeah.
Someone needs to feed them Mexican tap water for about a week. All right.
But the other point about that, the Kawasaki Ultra LX, the new for 22 for supercharged, the new for 23 for the naturally aspirated. The Cowie platform for the last 10, 15 years had the biggest storage nose.
60.
Of all of them. It was huge. And it was clear. It was amazing, right? It was huge. And what they did, as you know, they've put little pockets and a bit more. They wanted to obviously get a bit more accessible areas, but it came at the cost of that large bow storage. And I kind of feel for them a bit because the Sea-Doo glove box could be bigger. I love the size of the massive glove box. In the
I hate that glove box on the ST3.
It's too small, right? So I'm going to guess the next one.
I can't fit the wallet in it.
Yeah, that's it, right? You can fit your phone and maybe a couple of coins.
And some keys. Yeah.
So, so that's a dislike for the Cowie in terms of how they've.
Hull design. I know that hull, and I'll give you a good example of why the hull. Does so good. So we're riding with the Great Lakes guys. And we're getting white capped. We're getting about 2.5, 3 foot, but it's got a good pattern. On the Cowie, 60 miles an hour, 55 miles an hour to 60, clackety, clackety, clack, just straight as an arrow across.
Wow.
Yamaha, he's skipping like a polished river rock stone, just skipping across the water. Wow. I got a guy on a full tilt, hardcore, stage 2.5, if not stage 3, RXTX. He's a big dude. He's a big guy. He's taller than me. He's got me by about 100 pounds. And that ski can boil the water behind him if it's flat. But in 2 to 3 foot, he's having his fillings knocked out.
All over the place. Yeah.
I'll tell you something. I had to turn off a camera or something like that. The Yamaha with the stage 2, the Sea-Doo with the stage 3, those dudes bolt. I'm like, I'm going to reel them in. So I pin it. I'm standing up because I stood up the whole time. Standing up. I got it trimmed up. I know exactly what that Ultra is doing. I mean, I can predict it. And it's like, boom, 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 boom. I pull alongside that Sea-Doo with this double exhaust, just blazing hell. I'm riding. Now I got my hurt wrist. I turn over. I put my hand out and I go, "What the heck, man? How come I'm passing you?" And I passed him one-handed, standing up, 60 miles an hour in 2.5 foot white caps. And he's sitting there hanging on for dear life.
That's awesome.
Fighting the steering as that ski's hunting all over the place. And of course, Mr. Yamaha, he's all wrung out on the other end. I'm hanging with him. And I just go, dude.
Yeah.
I just walked on you. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.